you doing?
I'm collecting some leaves.
Leaves?
Yeah, it's wine
What?
leaves. Because I will cook them.
Cook?
Yeah. In Canada, we have everywhere in these leaves, which it grows naturally, and it's really delicious.
Oh, very interesting.
Yeah. Do you want to see how this is cooked?
Yes.
Okay, follow me.